guys, I wanted to do a quick overview of a concealed carry type of everyday carry, fanny pack, sling bag, whatever. I just did a video on a bigger bag with a lot of other items in it, and I wanted to showcase something that I put a lot of work into in research. I've ordered a bunch of different fanny packs, sent them back, and I finally settled on this Jansport one, of all things. So I just wanted to share with you kind of what I had in it and what I found. I mean, I tried Timbuktus, I tried REIs. So I wanted to find like a small bag that I could just dump all my crap in it, including my pistol. And when I take this out, I'm gonna walk with it, then I'll take my pistol out and put it in my waistband. But just something that would house all my crap, because my wife got tired of seeing everything all over. So again, I checked out a lot of bags. So this is kind of what I came to the conclusion of, and I'll probably add some more stuff to it, whatever. So this is just it. So anyways, it's a Jansport street sling day pack, I guess, or street sling. I don't know if you can see that, dude. And before I even get into it, just to set the stage of disclosure here, this is the second of two videos that I will make. The other video, again, was a bigger bag. I don't do this for any reason other than wanting to share. I will not be doing another one. So this is not being filmed with production cameras. This is filmed with my iPhone as recorded by my 13-year-old son, which you'll probably see shaky camera. That's because he is ADHD and doesn't settle down. So anyways, Jansport, it's a very good, and if you want, there's not a whole lot on the internet about this bag. That's one thing that I took a chance on Amazon. So most of the stuff in here was bought on Amazon, by the way. So yeah, there wasn't a lot. I'll do a little bit more about this bag because of that reason. So in the back, they've got a pretty nice rear pouch here. Nice, good padding. I have a Glock 48 that fits in there just nicely. And I also have a spare mag as well. So show that, son. So that fits it nicely just to have it in there, man. And the reason I have the holster on it is because I don't plan on carrying this with the gun in there to a point where I don't feel comfortable drawing from it. So I'm not gonna try to look like I'm some crazy guy doing it. So real quick on the Glock 48, you are insane if you do not go to Shield Arms and order these 15-round magazines, man. It doesn't make any sense why a person wouldn't turn a Glock 43 basically into a Glock 40 or 19. This thing is, even the barrel's a little longer than a Glock 19, so it's perfect, very tight, concealed. I'm getting a gut nowadays, and this thing, it disappears when I put it on my waistband. So anyways, nice good pocket. It's about, I don't know, 5 inches deep or so. Fits the mold, puts everything you need in there. Again, I won't be carrying it like that. It's just for storage, basically. You have a pretty nice front pouch. This is, my thought about it is where I'll throw in a wallet. This is the flip side wallet. Pretty cool, got it on Amazon as well, bam. Oh, case, whatever. That's where you throw your camera to and all that kind of stuff in it. Has a Velcro flap inside of here. Very basic stuff, notepad. Got a cool, what is it, Streamlight light from Amazon. Does the trick. I've got an old Gerber knife in here that I still have. Use it in case you need it. Very basic stuff, man. Pin, whatever. Didn't need a big multi-tool, nothing like that in this. Anyway, so that's basically what I keep in that front flap. And it's a pretty cool flap. You can fit kind of wallets, whatever in there. So, and it's got a couple deals you can hang crap off too if you want to, whatever. And then this is I kind of don't like this. The zipper, it kind of, I don't know, it's weird, but I got that in there. I'll open that up in a second. So it's got some good, got an interior liner here. It's got good soft material. Nice open pocket, and it's got a small pouch inside of here, which is where I'll keep crap like a Tide pen, hand sanitizer. This is a UV glow stick. I did on my other video, I had there's a 4-piece of these that you get on Amazon. That's pretty cool, and you hit it with some light. If you're out and about, you want somebody to see this or know where you're at, then you have that. This is a little light. I actually ordered this off of, or not a light, it's a pin. I ordered off of REI. This is the only thing I didn't really get off of Amazon. What else in here? This is these towels, like you pull it out when you know, I live in Arizona, so if we're out super hot, kid gets crap all over him, I just pop this out, throw water on it, and it's a big towel. So that's all the stuff I have in there. Could put more. I may put more later on. It's just whatever. That's kind of pretty big pouches. So I got this little kit here. In the front, I've just got, you know, Tylenol, Excedrin, Imodium 80 in case you're out and you get sick or something, headache. And so here, very basic, man. A little roll of duct tape. Duct tape's always good. Mint, stuff for your breath, whatever. I don't know, just toothpicks. Suntan stuff, sunblock. I mean, it's not rocket science with all this kind of stuff, man. It's just pretty basic, fundamental things. Some energy stuff. I've got a couple Band-Aids in there. So typically I'll have access to my bigger bag with more involved stuff. This is just if we're like not right by the car. That's what I'll have immediate access to. If I really need to get more stuff, I'll make a run back to my vehicle and I will use that. So this is it, guys. Let me put this crap back in it and I'll throw it on real quick. That's the only drawback right here, guys, is this. If you put up some stuff in it, this zipper is kind of wonky. So you see how it kind of curves back around. So that's the only hang up I have. So put the stuff in there. Got a little carrying handle too. I kind of like that going in and out of the car. The strap, pretty basic strap. There's no quick release thing like some of them have. I've got it kind of all the way down. So you want it in front of you, it'll be as tight as you want it. I've got it really loose, but you can carry it like that, or you can slap it in the back and carry it like that. To me, it's comfortable. Out of all the ones I've looked at before, this has been the one that holds the crap I want in it. I can just carry everything around and it does the trick. So that is it, guys. If you have any questions to what was inside, I try to go fast. I'm doing this all with one take and I don't plan on editing this video. So shoot me a comment if you have questions on anything that I covered in here, if I covered it too fast, which I'm sure I did. All right, sorry for the shaky video. My kid cannot stop moving. Thanks again, guys. Bye.